As you see, the check engine light, the gauges don't work. The check engine light, there is a misfire. The engine is running really rough. I don't know why. I've checked the wire. I've pulled the wires out to look if there is any damage or something. I fixed the wire, but I think I didn't fix it good. Let me see. I fixed it good, but I think that this is not possible. What I did, look, I fixed the wire. This was broken, the black one, but I connected with this. I think this is not good. So the engine is running really rough. This cylinder 4, 3, 2, this number 1. You see? I will put it back and it runs really rough. It runs really rough. And when I turn the lights on, it starts running really rough. You hear it? You hear it? Look. That's when I turn the lights on. So I have to look the wires again, and I will look with a friend of mine. So because I cannot find the problem today, it's very difficult. A misfire in number 4. So this is the Daihatsu Hijet Piaggio Porter 1.3. As you see, it's a Daihatsu engine. You see.